Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on Huawei Nova Y91. And to do this we'll need to open our app gallery. Here in the top search find app called NotiffyBuddy. Install it. Allow App Gallery to install the apps and then select the install. Now we can open this app and we'll need to grant it 3 different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now that the app is ready, we can see 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and the Settings. In User, you can activate any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In System, you can do the same thing, but with all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated. And if we go to our settings, we need to close the ad. And here we can customize a LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen, or a color. Click on the test button and you can see the LED lamp right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.